India is home to one of the largest youth populations in the world. Yet, youth unemployment and underemployment remain critical challenges driven largely by a widening skill gap between education and industry needs. In Kerala too, many young people struggle to find meaningful employment, not due to lack of education, but due to lack of industry-relevant skills. Among them, scheduled caste youth are disproportionately affected, facing additional socio-economic barriers, limited access to quality training, and fewer opportunities to enter high-growth sectors. Underemployment and disguised unemployment is an average in Kerala, including SC development. Bridging this gap is not just an economic necessity, it is a matter of equity and inclusive development. Recognizing this challenge, the Scheduled Caste Development Department of Kerala has taken a transformative step, moving beyond conventional low-income skilling programs to future-ready, demand-driven training models. Through the Triple E strategy, education, employment, and entrepreneurship, the focus has shifted towards building capability, confidence, and long-term employability. Strategic partnerships have been established with leading institutions such as Mahatma Gandhi University, Digital University Kerala, CPET Kochi, HLL, Saka Aviation Institute, Birds Worldwide Flight Services, TechShore, HCL Technologies, KITS, and NCRMI Trivandrum. These collaborations ensure high-quality, industry-aligned training directly linked to employment opportunities. This marks a decisive shift from skill training to career transformation. Today, the program focuses on shifting from traditional skill to need-based assessment, delivering quality skill training curriculum aligned with NSQF levels, ensuring placement-linked training with strong industry connections through stakeholders, enhancing career readiness, including soft skills and confidence building, access to high growth and emerging sectors, creating sustainable livelihood opportunities, flexible and customized focus consultations such as ASAP Skill Mission, KSIDC Industry Development Council, National Skill Development Corporation, NSFDC. The department now offers standardized high-quality and technology-driven programs such as Diploma in Oil and Gas Technology, Full-Stack Development and AI, Electric Vehicle Technology and Drone Certification programs. In addition, sector focuses courses like Caregiver Training and Airline Customer Service are equipping youth with globally relevant skills, with over 1,300 candidates enrolled. This is not just training. It is transformation. Transparent, fully online application and processing. Wider outreach through social media for grassroots level awareness. Transparency and innovative skill training partners are being preferred. Fully free residential training. 100% placement assurance. Progress tracking and support. More than 500 candidates are successfully placed every year. And in 2025-26, 90% placements was achieved in the PMJAY Unnati program. This marks a significant shift towards sustainable employment and financial independence. A strong bridge between talent and opportunity is being built, creating a sustainable and inclusive employment ecosystem. PMJAY Unnati is more than a program. It is about transforming lives, empowering communities, and building a future driven by opportunity and dignity. Empower, upskill, transform.